Hi, I'm Danny. Go ahead, what? I have to?
Yeah.
What?
See what's inside.
Great, there's a unicorn. And this is like for kids.
Are you okay, mister?
Oh, it's a heart-shaped ring. Great, I have a lot of use for this.
Whoa. No need to be sarcastic.
This is like for families or whatever. I don't know. I don't have a lot of experience with this.
That's awkward.
And a stuffed bear. Great.
It is great.
Isn't Easter already not for another year? I don't have to even think about any of this stuff.
Why are you so grumpy?
I make coffee.
Oh, you're a barista. Do you like your job?
Do you like your job? It's a job. Whatever. It's fun when people come on time and do their job.
No.
Do you know? It's like having to deal with all these egos, and the worst is the you know, like the Snapchat people. They moved in. I can't stand them. I hate them. It's like they have like security people for their employees, and they come in here like, and they sign the little paperwork. They don't even have money. It's like they have more money than everyone, and they're the only ones that come in and don't spend any money. So I mean, it's kind of annoying, especially if you're from here and they moved in here. It's like their little corporate campus. It's like they can't even like walk around without security because they feel unsafe in Venice. So let's hopefully they get out of here and everyone will be happy. I might even